Hey guys, welcome back for another tips from TechOZO. This time you are going to configure control center. Tap on settings in your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on control center. By default, control center has been turned on, and if you would like to turn it off, swipe the button and the control center has been already switched off. Just turn on to see the changes. Now the control center is working well. You can customize your control center by tapping customize control. Add or organize additional control to appear in your control center. These are the applications are already included. If you would like to add more applications like dark mode, just tap on plus icon. Like notes, and also if you would like to remove some apps like timer, tap on minus icon and tap right side corner to remove. In the same way you can remove others, and in the same way you can add. You can see the notes and dark mode has been enabled. So it's very simple to turn on and turn off control center, and you customize your control center from here. So this is all for this video. Thank you for tuning in, and you may like, share and subscribe TechOZO to get more tips like this, and turn on bell icon to get notified immediately for new videos. Take care and have a nice day.